Mahal naman kita eh, pero mas mahal ko siya.
Well, the vibes! It's your DJ Caramel and for GV 99.1's Valentine's Special, we'll be sharing a new platform that can give you a moment for freedom and expression. Allow us to listen to your hidden confessions and honest feelings here on Unspoken Words.
Siguro po yung sinabi niya nga ayusin niya muna yung sarili niya, tapos nakipag-break siya. Tapos after 1 week, may bago na siya.
The most painful thing that I heard is actually just 4 days ago. We broke up and she said she really loved me for all of those 4 years that we've been through. She loved me the most to the point that she can let me go.
Siguro ma'am yung sinabi niya po sa akin na mahal naman kita eh, pero mas mahal ko siya. Sa yun, umalis. Punta sa iba, bumalik sa ex.
Hi Mela, I hope mapakinggan mo ito bukas. And itong message ko ay para sa'yo. Mela, hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko to sasabihin sa'yo sa personal, pero sobrang mahal na mahal kita. And alam mo, this past few days, pinag-iisipan ko kung paano ko sasabihin sa'yo na, alam mo yun, gusto na kitang ligawan. And talagang nakikita ko na, ikaw din nakikita ko, gusto ko na mag-settle talaga sa'yo. And yun lang, mahal na mahal kita, Mela.
Gusto pong aminin sa kanya yung nararamdaman ko po about dun po sa araw po ng pag-uusap. Dahil po sa araw po ng pag-uusap po is nararamdaman ko po sa kanya na medyo nagkaka-feelings na po ako. And ayun po.
My confession it's for my father. Actually, when I was a kid, turning to teenager, I am mad. Kasi I've seen how he treated us nung wala pa yung second sister ko. Parang, when I was a child, nung ako pa lang yung panganay kasi ako. So, nung bata ako, lagi sila nag-aaway ng mother ko. Pero hindi sila nagsasakitan. Talagang, they throw things around me and then, yun nga. Pero hindi nila ako sasaktan, inalagaan niya yung mother ko. Pero, yung galit nila sa isa't isa, nasa loob ng bahay, sumasabog. Pero nung lumabas yung second sister, yung pangalawang kapatid ko, parang magically something happened inside the house na, shucks, ba't gano'n? Nung ako yung bata, nag-aaway kayo. Ngayon meron lang little ones, you became like an angel to everyone. So from that time, meron akong somehow, parang tampo na, ba't gano'n? Di nyo ba ako mahal? Parang gano'n. Pero as time goes by, nung na-bedridden yung mother ko, I realized na the person that I need to be with in my life is someone like my father. He never hit my mother. Yes, they fight a lot, pero they grow, they love each other, they take care of each other. And nung bedridden si mama ko, doon ko nakita gano'n niya kamahal si mama ko. Hindi siya naghanap ng second wife nung namatay. Prioritize niya si mama ko from taking good care of her kahit galing siya sa 12 to 16 hours duty. Tapos, never naming naramdaman na naaawa na lang siya sa mama ko, sa sitwasyon ng mama ko. Kasi sobrang iba na, hindi na siya, kumbaga hindi na presentable yung mama ko kasi sobrang payat niya na, siya, skeleton na siya, ganon. Pero, he always say to my mom na, Mama, you're so ganda, gising ka na, kain tayong ganon. So, my confession is that before Papa, galit ako sa'yo. Pero when you took care of Mama, I realized how good person you are. And now, he's in heaven also. And that's my greatest tampo din ngayon kasi hindi siya nakinig sa akin to take care of his body because of smoking. So, kinuha agad siya ni Lord, ganon. Kaya, ayun, I have 2 tampo to you, ganon. One when I was a kid, then last year lang siya nawala. So, yun lang. But then again, love ko sila pareho. Yun lang. Yes.